What's going on, everybody? Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Keith, Two Guys How To. June's over here getting raw on something. But I wanted to just show you guys our project here we got. We're taking Asphalt Millings. We're gonna make a mini parking lot over here next to the tire garden. And that's the before. Actually, I already started on it. And I'm gonna show you guys the after here. Yeah. Hey, Ken, hold on real quick. The after. So let's get busy with the Bobcat and spread this stuff out so you can see the nice parking lot that we're gonna make here shortly. Alright, so there it is, the final thing. I gotta get out of here. I gotta run up the street and pick up a saw. But there you have it. What was once ugly and just grass that I had to mow, I turned into a parking lot where I can move the camper over all the way to the right and still fit a couple cars or snow plows or something that we're gonna put right here. And you can see it blends in perfect. Perfect. $500 in Millings. And a Bobcat that we own was way cheaper than 2 loads of gravel. Would have been about $1,200. So we're up about $700 savings right now, and no Bobcat rental. And you guys can see now what was once just grass and unused space is now a parking lot for the camper. And we might bring a couple other cars here, or at least when we use the camper at home here and camp out a little bit. We've got this nice spot we can run the AstroTurf out, but I demoed a sidewalk out of a restaurant, and instead of taking these to the dump, I planted these cement footings down in there. I put the whole sidewalk pieces in there, and we got the trailer parked on it. That way the trailer tires won't rot and they won't sink into the ground either. You can see on this one here how I built the berm up here, straight on down. And once again, these tires are nice and dry. They won't rot out on this big cement slab, the sidewalk slab that I save. And we got our little spot now. You can see it's nice and clean. So, you know, if you're thinking about, you know, it's gonna cost too much or whatever, you either hire someone who does a good job cheap. Call us if we live nearby. We'll knock it out for you. And we didn't even strip the grass. We just sprayed that weed killer down over the grass. I cut the grass as low as I could with the zero-turn mower, about like that. And then while it's fresh cut, I spray it with that like a Roundup or something. So total vegetation killer is what I use from the farm store, and I dilute it down and mix it properly according to the EPA specs and all that. And this gravel is on top of that grass, suffocating it, and it'll just kill it off. It won't even come back. So we've got it, you know, and you can see I use those cement slabs once again here, bigger pieces of it out in front of this little shed. So I'm out of here, on to the next. I gotta hit the bank and pick my son up. So Two Guys How To. I'm Keith. Got any questions, comments? Do it yourself, make that lot, get those millings, call around, see if you can find them. They should be roughly around $250 a truckload, 300 max, but it's still half price of what you would pay for gravel. And it smooths out quite nice, whether you rent the Bobcat, you got a buddy who owns one, or you know, whatever. You buy a used Bobcat and just get raw. But I'm out of here. Check out the other videos. Thanks for checking this out. I'm out. See ya. What's up, Iggy? Talk to him before I shut the video down. Oh yeah. Yep. You're not a pig, you're a lawyer. He's not a pig, he's a lawyer. Peace.
I'm not a pig, I'm a lawyer.